The Luxon control unit, also known as the LCU, can be thought of as multiple sensor bridges. So a sensor bridge is one input into the network, so one switch or one sensor into the network, whereas an LCU can be up to 8 analog and/or 8 digital inputs into the system. So analog inputs, 1 to 10 volt lux sensors, perhaps a slide dimmer, things like that. And the on-off functions is your digital control. So perhaps a toggle switch or a push button function that can be put back into the LCU. So if we use the analogy of a rear entry door in the building again, long way away from the installation site of the LLC, that rear entry door may have a motion sensor over top of the door so that when you walk in before the lighting system normally turns on the day, perhaps you're arriving early to work, motion sensor picks up your activity when you walk in through the door, turns on a few light fixtures over top of that area, provides you enough light so that you can go over to a switch panel and select an appropriate switch for a proper power level for when you've walked in the building. Maybe you just flip a toggle switch or press a push button switch and you get 50% power for when you've arrived early into work. To install the LCU, again, local installation back at the control site. Just provide power to the LCU, and then from there you're just wiring your switches and sensors into the inputs of the LCU itself. No wires need to be run back to the LLC. It's all wireless communication from the installation site.